In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up working hours and create an appointment schedule in your Google Workspace business account. We'll go through this in a simple, practical way so you can make your availability clear and allow outside clients to book time with you without all the usual back and forth over email. This is especially helpful if you want a more professional scheduling process and a cleaner calendar workflow. To begin, log into your Google Workspace business account. Make sure you're using the correct company account rather than a personal profile, since some scheduling and availability features may only appear on eligible business plans. Once you're signed in, open Google Calendar because that's where these settings are managed. Next, navigate to Settings and then find Working Hours and Location. This section allows you to define the hours during which you are generally available for work. Take a moment to set your corporate working hours carefully because these hours help Google Calendar reflect when you're typically available and can reduce confusion for both internal teammates and external contacts. If your schedule differs from day to day, adjust each day as needed rather than using a one-size-fits-all setup. This makes your calendar more accurate and helps prevent appointments from being booked at inconvenient times. After your working hours are in place, the next step is to create a dedicated appointment schedule. This feature is designed to let external clients book meetings with you in a much smoother way, without needing to send multiple emails just to find a time that works. When you create the schedule, think of it as a booking page connected directly to your calendar availability. As you set it up, make sure the schedule is clearly dedicated to the type of meetings you want clients to book. A focused appointment schedule helps keep your calendar organized and sets the right expectation for anyone using it. Since this is intended for external clients, it's a good idea to keep the booking experience simple and professional. Once the appointment schedule is created, clients will be able to choose from the times you've made available, and Google Calendar will handle the scheduling process much more efficiently. That means fewer interruptions, less manual coordination, and a more polished experience for everyone involved. With your working hours defined and your appointment schedule ready, you now have a streamlined system that supports both your internal availability and your external client booking process. This setup can save time, improve communication, and make your business calendar much easier to manage on a daily basis.